In this media, we will learn about the assembly of a two-stroke diesel engine. Bed plate. The bed plate is the foundation on which the two-stroke engine is assembled part by part. Resin chocks can be used to realign an engine mounted on cast iron chocks if fretting has taken place. The largest marine diesel engines can be mounted on resin chocks using Chalk-Fast Orange or EcoCast 36. Basically, the bed plate consists of two longitudinal girders which run through the length of the engine. Connecting these longitudinal girders are the transverse girders, A-frames. The frame box is separately fabricated and then mounted on the bed plate. A small amount of jointing compound is used to ensure an oil-tight joint. When the frames are aligned on the bed plate, they are secured together by drilling and reaming and using fixing bolts. The entablature. The entablature is the name given to the cylinder block which incorporates the scavenge airspace and the cooling water spaces. The underside of the cylinder beam is machined. It is aligned on the A-frames and fastened in position using fixing bolts. Tie rods. To hold the bed plate frames and entablature firmly together, long tie bolts are fitted through these three components. To increase the tension in the tie rods, connect two pre-tensioning jacks over adjacent tie bolts. The jacks can be tightened and required pressure can be obtained and maintained with the help of a hydraulic pump. After attaining necessary tension in the tie rods, the setup can be removed. Jack bolts. They are installed only in some makes of engines to provide support for the girders of the bed plate to withstand the bending stress. Connecting rod. The connecting rod is fitted between the crosshead and the crankshaft. Crosshead pin. The crosshead pin connects the piston rod to the connecting rod. On either side of the crosshead pin are mounted the crosshead slippers. Piston. The piston comprises of 4 pieces: crown, skirt, piston rod and stuffing box. The crown also carries the 4 or 5 piston ring grooves which may be chrome plated. Cylinder head. The cylinder head is also known as cylinder cover. The exhaust valve is located in the cylinder head. Once the engine is correctly aligned, the resin is poured. The holding down bolts are then tightened hydraulically and the alignment is rechecked. The side choke liners are then hand fitted between the side choke and the bed plate. Thus, you have learned about the assembly of a two-stroke diesel engine.